What is going on, my friends? Welcome to the video. It's Logan Cramer here, over here at How to Make Money Online. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 online jobs for teenagers in 2021. And don't worry, this isn't going to be about filling out this survey and getting paid 20 cents or watch this video and get paid 5 cents. We're only going to be talking about legit jobs where you can actually make cold, hard cash. Now, the jobs that we are going to be discussing today are perfect for extroverts and introverts. Some of them are going to be having conversations with other people. Some of them are going to be recording your voice, and some of them are going to be behind the computer screen. You can work as long as you want without having anyone bother you. And if these jobs sound like fantastic opportunities, then make sure you watch until the very end of this video, because I will show you a way that you can make $1,500 per month. The only requirement is that you need a computer or a phone and an internet connection. If that's something that you're interested, you want to get started, why don't you throw me a like down below, because I go over every week multiple videos about how you can start making money online. It really supports my channel, and I love being able to create these videos for you. So toss me a subscribe, hit that bell icon. Without further ado, let's jump on into it. Now, with this first job, the only requirements is that you know how to speak English and that you have a computer. And just because you're here, I'm guessing that you do have the English skills needed to be able to do this job. You need to be able to carry on a conversation, and by just doing so, you can earn up to $10.20 per hour. So this site is called Cambly. It's an awesome site. It's essentially an English tutoring online site. Don't worry, you don't have to have a teacher's license or certification or any type of degree in order to qualify. Like I said earlier, the only qualification is that you need to speak English. So you're probably wondering, what is Cambly? How do you do it? And essentially, what is it? Becoming an English teacher, and I'm not talking about any grammatical stuff or anything like that. For example, if I'm outside of the United States in a non-English speaking country, I want to be able to practice my English. And then I could then sign up for Cambly, and this website will match me with someone who is fluent in English, and we could just have a normal conversation about the weather, about the culture, about food, anything that you guys want to strike a conversation about. Now, this job is really cool, mainly because you are connecting with people from around the entire world, different cultures, different languages, different personalities, and it's really exciting because you actually get to learn some really cool information about them and their traditions and about their food, especially during, kind of tough times now. It's really important. If you miss traveling and things like that, then this might be a good opportunity for you to work from home, just in the comfort of your house through a webcam, and being able to learn and speak with other people. It's really exciting. There's always going to be an opening for you actually tutoring someone, because when it's not time for you, it's going to be morning for someone else, and vice versa. So it's because it's worldwide. And for you, all you want to do is go down here to become a tutor, and you can tutor with Cambly, tutoring English language, get paid weekly, tutor anytime, make a global impact, and they pay $10.20 or $12 now if you work with kids, and they pay PayPal every Monday. Now, talking with someone online isn't really your jam. This is going to be perfect for you. It's called Try My UI. You just go get paid to test. Basically, you earn $10 for every review session that you do, and it consists of what is basically user interface. You are reviewing web developers or app developers' websites and their applications, and specifically focusing on how usable it is for the user experience. So what you do is you access this very, very exclusive pre-launch website or application, you play around with it, and while you're playing around with it, you're going to be recording your voice, and you're going to be taking notes and playing around with it in real time. You're going to be voicing your frustrations, what you really enjoyed about the app or the website you didn't like. It's basically as if you're posting a review on Yelp. You go through it, you go through all the different features, see what you like and what you didn't like, and then you get to post your review, but just using your voice. The cool thing, if you see here, you'll be paid $10 for each test you take. It takes about 20 minutes per test. So theoretically, you can make about $30 an hour if you have multiple tests lined up. So not too bad for just doing some reviews about interface, right? And right here, I want to make sure that you guys see this, how I'll be paid. We send payments out every Friday through PayPal. So it is just another verified good site that is very trustworthy, and many people use this as well. So make sure to check out Try My UI if talking to people on Cambly is not your cup of tea. Our third option is great for you as well if you don't want to talk to people and you just want to listen and type. It's called Go Transcript. And if you see down here, we can talk a little bit about it. It says do transcript jobs from home, get paid reliably, flexible hours, you get to grow your skills, you get to choose your own projects, receive great support, and you get to stay busy. Essentially what happens is you get an audio and you get to type it word for word as close verbatim as possible, and by doing so you get paid. Final option that really people enjoy is with Rev. You can become a freelancer and you can work from anywhere, flexible hours, again, choose from hundreds of jobs, get paid weekly. Now what we really want to focus on is the transcriptioner. So if we click learn more, we're able to see that you can earn money with just doing captions. So basically when you guys are watching Netflix and you see a bunch of words all over the screen, that is something that you could be typing. And you get paid weekly and you can earn up to $1,500, okay? So you sign up, you get approved, you choose from available captioning jobs, and then you get paid weekly. Some of the benefits are you choose your own schedule, you decide when to work. And again, all you need is a desktop or a laptop computer and a reliable internet connection. Now, if you made it to the end, go ahead and comment and let me know that you made it to the end, and I appreciate you finishing this video with me on this journey. But I want to give you a special gift and give you my top recommendation for anyone who wants to start working from home, even as a teen, and that's called affiliate marketing. And I can give you this full tutorial here if you click on this button right here, and it's 4 videos that show you step by step how to do that. And for me, this has been how I've been able to work from home, making over $40,000 this last year. So go ahead and click on that. You can get a free ebook as well. So I appreciate your time. Subscribe and like, and let me know if you made it down to the end of this video. We will see you in the next one.